Brushing your teeth only won't help to keep your teeth safe. Flossing and mouthwash are equally important. Mouthwash does not only freshen your breath but also prevents your teeth from cavities. There are different types of mouthwash available in the market, but you can also make them at your home using natural products. Here are some of the best natural homemade types of mouthwash. 1. Sage and salt mouthwash. Sage is on the top of the list of recipes to improve oral and dental health because of its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Various sage preparations have been observed to effectively treat a variety of oral and dental diseases. In a bottle, put 6 sage leaves. Dissolve salt in 5 ounces of boiling water. After all is dissolved, pour boiling water inside bottle. Use daily after brushing your teeth, until mouthwash is finished, or continue a little longer if your oral health still is not up to scratch. 2. Cinnamon and clove mouthwash. With this mouthwash you can use a cup distilled water, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder or 7 cloves, put all of the ingredients in a bottle, let it rest for 4 to 5 hours. Then it's ready to use. Or, 1 cup distilled water, 10 drops cinnamon oil, with 10 drops of clove oil. Mix all the ingredients together and it is ready to use. This mixture has a long shelf life and so you can even store it. 3. Parsley and mint mouthwash. Take a blender, add 2 tablespoons of parsley, 2 tablespoons of mint, 1 cup of distilled water and blend them all for about 2 minutes. Pour through a strainer to remove any residual herbs. Pour the clean content in a jar and close tightly. Rinse your mouth with 1 tablespoon of the mixture. Avoid swallowing. 4. Aloe vera juice. 1/2 cup of aloe vera juice, 1/2 cup distilled water. Mix aloe vera juice in water and rinse your mouth with this solution every time you brush your teeth. 5. Baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 glass of warm. Add baking soda to 1/2 glass of warm water. Mix it well and rinse your mouth with this solution after brushing your teeth. Baking soda is an excellent product to get rid of bad breath and oral bacteria. It is alkaline in nature and can increase the pH level of the saliva.